Okay, so now we're at cleaning our SLX400. So this part of the video is going to be priming or purging out the rest of the sanitizer. So far we drained the machine, we disassembled the machine, cleaned it, lubed it, put it back together, sanitized it, and now we're gonna get the sanitizer out of the machine. So we drained as much as we could. Now we drained as much as we could out of the machine. So now we're gonna put our mix into the hopper. So we're gonna get our carb tube, which again has been cleaned and sanitized. We put a little lubrication around the O-rings here. So we're just gonna place our carb tube right in the hole there. As you can see, there's a little bit of sanitizer left in there, so all I'm gonna do is get a paper towel and dry that out before we pour our mix in. Okay, so I got our mix ready. As you can see, our carb tube is in the closed position. See the white dot here? That means that's closed. Some may have the plastic carb tube, which your closed position would then be the number 0. So reason you want that closed is we want to put our mix in and we don't want it to get into the cylinder just yet. So I'm just going to pour our mix in here. Okay. Okay, so now if we come to the front of the machine real quick, see our handle is open, still open. There's nothing coming out again because the carb tube's closed, so nothing's getting into there. So we want to keep this open and come back up, and we're just going to turn this to the 3rd dot or number 3 if you have the plastic. Now, you can see that the mix is starting to push out the sanitizer. So you're going to see the sanitizer, a little bit of mix with sanitizer, and then you'll see straight mix. And a few indications that there's no more sanitizer left. You won't hear the drip, and obviously it'll be a straight stream of whatever flavor you have. So here it's still pushing out the sanitizer, and now see how it just did that? And you're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you would come back up. And then when it is done bubbling, that means the cylinder is full of your mix. And then we can turn this to day mode if you're ready to serve, or start her up at night if you're cleaning this at night. And that is, that's how you prime the SLX400. Put our lid back on here. See, I'm keeping it enclosed because I'm going to start this up at night. We're not serving any ice cream today. So get the push rod, put that here. Go back to my main menu. Start it up at night. And that's how to clean our SLX400.